everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I'm going to do a jewelry unboxing. This box arrived yesterday from my favorite seller on eBay. And she usually has some fantastic pieces. So I'm going to start and show you this beautiful Kenneth Cole bracelet. It is a stretch bracelet. Amazes me, I've not seen a bracelet quite like this one, and I have cleaned this one already. It's beautiful. If I don't sell that, I will probably keep that. And a beautiful, humongous cross made from silver spoons. And I didn't bring my loop in here, so it is hallmarked. Now I can see this on the wall. I'm not sure, since it's so big, I would not wear it, but it's gorgeous. If I don't sell it, I will use it in my jewelry art. But I can see this on, say, in your bedroom on the wall. It is a beautiful piece. Then she always puts in extra pieces, usually pendants. If I don't like them or don't think that they will sell, I just take the chains off, because chains always sell. We always need chains. Then she always puts in a lovely card. It's so nice. Took me several years to find a good seller like this. This is an Alex and Annie bracelet. It's in excellent condition. She always sends, it's always exciting to open her boxes. And look at these earrings. These, I should have brought my loop in here. They're really pretty. And here's some cross earrings. These are really nice. Very shiny and great condition. Very seldom do I have to remove something and put it in a craft box or just throw it away. Here's another neat pendant. And these are really beautiful, brand new. These actually were made in USA, in Petaluma, California. They are crystal, Australian crystal. Very nice, very nice. And here's another pendant. Now let's get into, oh, these are adorable. Some elephant earrings. I like these when they're in package, but they're hard to get out of the little package. Look at those cute. Then there is a long, beautiful chain, Napier. I'll have to clean this area here, is a little dark. It's a beautiful chain though. I will clean that. I have silver cleaner. Here's a stretch bracelet. It says Believe. A little loose. Oh, I love this. Has a magnetic closure. Gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. Hopefully you can see that. I love that. That's one I would wear. Here's another beautiful bracelet. There's some gorgeous pieces. Butterfly earrings. These are kind of light weight, would be really comfortable really pretty. Oh, I see, you know, there's several pieces in here that, ooh, I'd like to keep. This is a really neat bracelet. And here is one. Trying to think of the name right now, and I can't. But I'm sure you know out there. It's a very nice bracelet. Just a lot of neat things. And this is just her very small lot. It comes in a small flat rate box. Sometimes I buy the large ones. And here's another stretchy bracelet. This is pretty nice. It's really, I'm going really fast because just want to show you. You will see some of these in my auction if you decide to attend. And this is a lovely beaded in good condition. Here's a statement piece. I was really happy with this lot. Some different pieces, and that sometimes it's kind of neat to get some different pieces. This is a bracelet. Has like, I don't know, I should look this up. There's charms on it. Don't see hallmark on it. They're like little coins. It's very nice. Napier bracelet. Some cool earrings. Now this is kind of weird. Reminds me of a snake or something. Has a nice chain, but that's my least favorite piece. These are large earrings, but I do like them. Look at that. You'll be able to see them better in my auction because I will use the boards, the display boards. They're for pierced ears. Very nice. They have the cut work on those are really great. And there's more earrings. And look at these. This is a pendant. I think this one has a little discoloration. Not bad, but I haven't cleaned it yet either. And let's see, some more earrings. Anyway, that is it. Like I said, it was a small flat rate box. Usually she gets, oh, maybe 2 pounds, close to 2 pounds in her small flat rate boxes. I think this is my favorite piece in the box, but there is a lot of lovely bracelets. I don't think there's a bracelet here that I wouldn't wear. I was just really, really pleased with them. And so, anyway, I thought I would share this and hope to see you Saturday at 2 p.m. Pacific time, excuse me. And I have a lot of neat items, and I'm debating whether to put that music box, fill it with jewelry. The music box I did, I bought at Savers, and if you watch that video, you'll see it. It's gorgeous. So I'm still debating, do I want to keep it? Do I want to sell it? And if I do sell it, it will have jewelry in it. So have a great day, be safe, and see you soon, everyone. Bye.